Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup appraisal PDFs using Safeguard, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by launching the Safeguard application on your device. Log in using your credentials to access the main dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Documents section from the sidebar menu. In the Documents section, locate the specific appraisal PDFs you wish to backup. Select the appraisal PDFs by clicking the checkbox next to each file. After selecting the PDFs, click on the backup option located at the top of the page. A backup settings window will appear, prompting you to choose the destination for your backup. Select a preferred storage location, whether it's a cloud service or local drive. If applicable, set the backup frequency to your desired interval. Now, click on the Start Backup button to initiate the backup process. Monitor the progress bar to ensure all selected files are being backed up. Once the backup is complete, a confirmation message will appear on the screen. Review the confirmation details to ensure all files have been backed up successfully. You can access your backup anytime by navigating back to the backup location you selected. If you need to restore any files, simply go to the backup location and download the necessary PDFs. Consider setting reminders for regular backups to maintain updated records. This ensures your appraisal data remains secure and accessible whenever needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.